Ciao, foodies. Today, we're diving into the world of Italian cuisine with a sensational dish, octopus salad. But wait, because we'll be uncovering some fascinating unknown facts about this culinary delight. Let's get started. Fact number 1, octopus salad, or Insalata di Polpo in Italian, is a beloved seafood dish that originates from coastal regions in Italy. It's a tantalizing blend of tender octopus, fragrant herbs, and zesty flavors that showcases the culinary expertise of Italian chefs. Fact number 2, octopus has been a part of Italian cuisine for centuries. In ancient Rome, octopus was considered a delicacy, and it remains a cherished ingredient today. Italians have perfected the art of cooking octopus to achieve a tender and flavorful texture. Fact number 3, octopus salad is incredibly versatile. While the classic recipe often includes octopus, extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and parsley, variations can include additions like cherry tomatoes, olives, capers, or even a touch of chili for some heat. It's a dish that can be customized to suit your taste preferences. Fact number 4, octopus salad is not only delicious but also nutritious. Octopus is a lean source of protein, low in fat, and rich in vitamins and minerals. It's a great option for seafood lovers seeking a healthy and satisfying meal. Fact number 5, octopus salad is a delightful representation of the Mediterranean diet. It showcases fresh, seasonal ingredients, highlights the use of olive oil, and combines vibrant flavors that perfectly complement the delicate taste of octopus. Fact number 6, did you know that octopus has a unique texture? It's tender yet slightly chewy, which adds an intriguing element to the salad. Cooking octopus requires skill and patience, but the result is a succulent and irresistible dish. That's a wrap, folks. We hope you enjoyed discovering these fascinating unknown facts about octopus salad. Give this recipe a try and let us know in the comments below how your version turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow food enthusiasts. Until next time, buon appetito!